we're showing you a 2014 New Holland T4.95 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. Has just over 750 hours on it. It's 98 horsepower. This is a local trade-in. Tractor's clean. Being used in a hay slash cattle operation. Has the skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. It's a nice heavy duty front bucket on it. Front grill guard. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Has the 655 TL quick attachment motor. It's got the AgriMax radial tires front and back. Tires are in excellent condition. 2 entry doors and mirrors on both sides of the cab. It's got the work lights on front and back of the cab, front and rear wiper. Dual hydraulics back here. 540 PTO. Has the telescopic 3-point arms with the stabilizer bars. It's a nice clean unit. Does have the toolbox here on the side. Tractor's got a little bit of damage here in the front left of the hood. Looks like something bumped against the hood there. It has a couple cracks in it. Show you the inside of the cab. It's got the air ride seat here for the operator. That seat does swivel left and right, so it's a nice comfortable seat. Also has a buddy seat here to the left. Tilt steering wheel. Has left-hand power shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. It's got a 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 gears in park on the shorter lever, 4 synchronized gears up top. Loader control right here within easy reach. Also have your 3-point and hand throttle right there beside the seat. You've got your hydraulic controls, PTO, and 4-wheel drive engagement all on the control console. On the cab post, you've got your climate controls, wiper and light switches, radio all the way to the top, rear view mirror and sun visor also in the roof of the cab. Has the foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal, and differential lock pedal down on the floor. And again, this is a local trade-in tractor. Must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.